Good morning, class, and welcome to Day 5 of your 1-Point Perspective unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. Your learning goal is to design an interior or exterior space that uses a variety of subjects and details in 1-Point Perspective. Please remember that you should continue adding details inside and around your buildings and spaces that also follow the rules of 1-Point Perspective. Please be careful not to leave the buildings and spaces empty. You want to give each building and space its own identity and make sure that those details follow the same rules as everything else. Your essential question is, how does 1-Point Perspective help an artist create realistic space? And as we've been discussing, it essentially creates the sense of depth on a two-dimensional surface. So it's really creating an illusion that that space exists or can exist based on how we perceive the world in our everyday life, because we see depth every day. And again, this technique adds depth into our art. Your vocabulary word for today is space, as we enter our task list below. So your first task is just to watch the Space ET video. This is how we start every day, watching these videos, which will help with the entrance ticket question for that day. Once you're done watching the space video, please answer what is space and how does 1-Point Perspective alter the spaces between objects. Again, both answers will be in that video, so please watch it carefully. And lastly, just continue working on your final project and submit a photo of your progress to the Day 5 Student Progress Assignment. That's how you show me that you've been working in class this day, and that it also gives me an opportunity to give you feedback if I deem it's necessary to help you in your progress. And also remember that this does not need to be in color. This is a line drawing only. So today you should all be focusing on adding or continuing to add details in and around your space. Please make sure you fill the space as much as possible so you can get the highest grade possible, because you want to create a sense of movement or motion where the viewer's eye is looking at all the areas of your paper and your composition. Just continue to fill that space, make it interesting, make it fun. Remember, the space has to be realistic, but what's happening in the space does not. All right, guys, that's everything for this video. I will talk to us shortly in the space video, and I hope you have a good class. Talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.